Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. Good morning and good afternoon to everyone who's watching the video. It's me, Vichy Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can place OCO order in Binance. So for those people who do not know OCO order means one cancels other. So let's say you're buying Bitcoin at like $50,000. You want to, add two amount. Let's say if it drops, you want it to be sold at $50,000 because you bought it at $51,000, and if it goes at $50,000, then it's gonna be sold because it's gonna save you from having too much loss. Let's say Bitcoin just drops to $30,000, then basically you guys gonna save a lot of money because you sold at $50,000. And the other one you can place is at $55,000. If Bitcoin goes up and reaches $55,000, then it's gonna sell the Bitcoin which reached at $55,000. So what this means is, let's say if your Bitcoin drops and it's sold at $50,000, then basically it's gonna cancel the $55,000 order. And if your Bitcoin goes up and sells at $55,000, then it's gonna cancel the order which you placed at $50,000. So basically that what means OCO, one cancels the other. You're gonna put two price, the one which goes up you sell it, the one which goes down you sell it. So that's the order you're gonna place by OCO. So it's pretty simple to place an OCO order, so follow the step which I'm gonna be doing. But before that, to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys want to sign up into Binance, you guys can use our referral link, and let's get right into the video. So first step is you want to go to Binance.com, which is the official website of Binance, and log in into your account, and you want to go on versus trade over here. And on trade you want to go on advanced because you want to have full access to the tool they're going to give you so you guys can use OCO order. Once you're over here, basically what you want to do is, as you guys can see, it's over here on stop limit. You want to click on this and you want to go on where it says OCO. Once you're over here, basically you want to add two price limit, at which price you want to sell, at which price you want to sell, like this. And you want to enter the limit over here as well, and the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. After that, you want to buy the Bitcoin, and after it reaches the desired level of price of Bitcoin, like it goes up or it goes down, it's gonna sell. That's basically how we guys can set a OCO order. In another word, one cancel one order. Alright, so hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. And bye bye until then. And do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to use our referral link to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance.